In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to maximize, minimize, restore, and close any window here in your Windows 11 using a keyboard. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to, let me just bring up my on-screen keyboard to completely show you what exactly key am I going to press on. And first of all, press or use your tab key to select the application that you would like to open. Okay, once you have bring it up here, okay, in order to minimize this window, all you need to do is you need to press the Windows key and M key together, and in that way you would be able to minimize it. And in order to restore or maximize that window, all you need to do is you need to press Windows key, Shift key, and M key together, and in that way you would be able to maximize or restore it. Again, it is Windows key, Shift key, and M key together, and in that way you would be able to restore or maximize the window. Okay? Another way on how to minimize this window is that you can press Windows key and down arrow key, again, Windows key and down arrow key, and in that way you would be able to minimize this window. Again, it is Windows key, down arrow key here, and in that way you would be able to minimize the window. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.